Requirements Analysis. The main purpose of the requirements analysis activity is to analyze the gathered requirements to remove all ambiguities, incompleteness, and inconsistencies from the gathered customer requirements and to obtain a clear understanding of the software to be developed. Three main types of problems in the requirements are anomaly, inconsistency, and incompleteness. In this, we are going to look about anomaly. It is an ambiguity in a requirement. For example, in the water heater, the temperature is set to high. When the water is get heated, it switch off automatically. Similarly, we can set the alert message if the stock received the particular amount. Inconsistency. Two requirements are inconsistent when one contradicts the other. Example, one clerk says if a student fails, redo the course and then only proceed to the next semester. Other clerk says if a student fails, he can take that as an additional subject and continue the semester. Next one is incompleteness. An incomplete set of requirement is one in which some requirements have been overlooked. Example, if a student is failed in a semester, an SMS or letter or email must be sent to a parent.
Thank you.